Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you my Lego puzzle box I made. My third Lego puzzle box I made. And here's what it looks like. There. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to solve it. And let's get started. So first, you see this piece sticking out here. You pull it out. Wait. Yeah. Oops. Wait. Here. I pull it out. Oops. I broke something. Here. Okay. The piece I pull it out right here. I can put it back in. Like that. And then pull it back out like that. Okay. So now, as you can see, there's a hole here. There will be something in it. You can pour it out. Here. See? Okay, so now you see this handle over here, like a door handle. You can open it like that. Open all the way. And then take this key, put it into this hole. That, and then push it. So when you push it, this piece right here is going to come out. You see it? It come out. So you could pour the key out, this one. And then pull this piece right here out. Okay, like this. Okay, so now you're going to slide this black piece over here. Like that. You can slide it back. That. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And now you need to take this piece, stick it into this hole. There. Hard to see. Okay, so take this piece, stick it into this hole. Oh, wait. Just like this. Stick it, and then pull it out. Like that. And take this piece out. And then there's a box. There will be something in it. It's this. Here. Like a black piece or something. I don't know. Okay, so take this piece, stick it into this hole. That. And then pull it out. Like that. Pull that back piece out. And then this is a box, and then you pour a key out. Okay, here. And then you're going to like put this red piece into this hole, not that hole. Push it, and that's going to come out here. That. And then pull it out, and that's your prize. Here. Your prize. So, here I'm going to show you to reset it. So first, take all of this prize, stick it there. This one in the middle, and the third one on the side. Oops. There. So take this box, put this prize into this hole. There. And now take this red key, put it into this box that have a hole round hole like that, and put it in here, not here, okay? So this here, right here. Make sure that this hole needs to facing out. Yeah, like that. Okay, now take this black piece, put it into this box, and then put it into here. There. Now, I'll take this key, slide this black piece back, like this. There. Now, put this key into here. There, push it. There. Okay, the last thing you need to do is take this yellow key, orange key I mean, and then put it into here. Oops. So like this, and then pour it in. Wait a minute. There. Put it in this hole. Now take this piece, put it back into here. There. Just like that. Oh wait, we need to close the door too. That. And that is my puzzle box. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to watch my my second Lego puzzle box, you could go into my channel and look at it. I got a first Lego puzzle box too. And I hope you guys enjoy my video.